Let's have a quick tour of the Camden Place. Ayan guys, so we are here at the lobby area of the Camden Place. So as you can see, based on the usual design of the Camden Place, it's more on open spaces, which is the signature design of the company. And by the way guys, bago tayo umakyat, no? So here in the MCI, hindi pwedeng mawala yung water station and laundry station. Yeah, so here's the water station. And by the way, if ever that you will be purchasing here in the MCI, we're actually giving away, I think that's 5 free water jugs, no? So that's where the PMO is located, and this is the laundry station or card operated laundry station. So as you can see guys, for the elevator, so hindi kami yung tipo yung maraming buttons, no? So ang ginagawa namin is numpad kami here in DMCI. Ayan. So we're here at the 7th floor. So we are now checking out the fitness gym, the coffee shop, and the co-working space. So we are still on the finishing stage of the co-working space here at the 7th floor. Ayan. So napaka maaliwalas niya. So this is what you can have for the 7th floor lounge area. And then, and so meron ding bar area dito or parang food area na pwede kang magdala ng sarili mong food. And so this is the co-working area. So perfect na perfect since the location of this project is in Manila, which is napapalibutan siya ng university. Perfect na perfect para sa mga student tenants or mga unit owners na nag-aaral pa. Ayan, so guys, as you can see, no, ang lakas ng ulan ngayon dito sa Manila. So we're now heading to the gym area. I think operational na din to. And so this is the gym area. Yan, so merong reception and then this is the gym area. Yan. So if ever you are a gym rat or gusto mo lang mag-exercise, this is really perfect for you. So now let's head over to the roof deck level. And so we're here at the roof deck level. So ang ganda ng view, no? And then for the roof deck, we have the lap pool, the shower and changing room, the sky lounge, and the open bar. So let's check and see. As of this moment kasi under construction pa yung ibang facilities. Pero before the end of the year, I'm very sure na tapos na lahat yan. Pero still ongoing pa din yung turnover ng mga units namin. So we are here at the Sky Lounge. Ayan. And over here, this is the newest part of our construction brand, which is the Sky Deck pool located at the roof deck level. Ayan. Sobrang ganda. So here at the roof deck level of the Camden Place, what you can see is the skyline of the city, specifically the skyline of Manila, Makati, and Pasay. Ayan. So it's already 3 p.m., no? So ang ganda ng skyline, no? So very refreshing, very relaxing if ever na dito ka titira. So talagang it feels like you are living in a resort, no? Ayan, so that's the Manila skyline. And then, as of this moment, operational na din yung sky deck pool. And so that's the sky deck pool. And by the way, guys, please don't forget to watch the full video in my YouTube channel. That includes the project brief and the computation. So if ever that you are planning to, or you are scouting for property here in Manila, no, so feel free to check it out in my profile or in my YouTube channel. So feel free to check the link in my bio or in the comments. So we're here at the Sky Lounge or the Sky Promenade. So here's the Sky Lounge, and we also have bar area dedicated for our residents, no. So for this area, this can occupy, I think that's 20 to 30. If ever you have any special events, you can actually occupy this space, no. And so that's the bar lounge or bar area. And then, yeah. So medyo maingay kasi under construction pa. Pero, yeah, by the end of the year, fully constructed na lahat ng mga amenities namin and facilities. So let's check out this studio unit of the Camden Place. So the size of this studio unit is 25 square meter. And as you can see, guys, painted na yung walls and then tiled na yung floors. So livable na yung space. So as you can see, meron din kami mga nakaabang na yung sapphire alarm. And then meron na tayo dito mga socket. DMCA is very generous when it comes to socket. May abang na rin kami for the internet. And so ang daming socket. May abang na rin for the cable. So for this area, meron tayo dito yung provision for the window type aircon. We have this large size window. For the vertical clearance of this, I think this is 2.2 for the vertical clearance or yung floor to ceiling height. And then for the kitchen area, lahat ng nakikita nyo dito na cabinets, no? So this is included in the unit turnover. Ayan, so included na siya. And then so you have your overhead cabinets, your underhead cabinets. For the granite countertop, the sink, ayan. And of course, yung socket. And then meron na rin tayong abang for the range hood. Ayan. So you have the provision for the range hood. Moving on with the toilet and bath. Ayan. So this is the actual turnover for the toilet and bath. Ayan. So what you can see is all included in the unit turnover. So naka-rain tile shower na rin tayo for the shower. Meron tayo yung shower lifts. Ayan. And then yung closet. So the unit is livable. All you need is your furnitures and your appliances. And you as well. Now let's check and see the actual one-bedroom unit of the Camden Place. So this is the one bedroom of the Camden Place, and the size of this unit is 28 square meter. So it's almost the same orientation, rectangle din siya, pero this time it's 28 square meter, and the difference is meron siya yung division. So for the division, ayan, this is included in the unit turnover. So same unit, generous when it comes to the outlet. There's already a provision for the cable and Wi-Fi. Walls are painted. Tiled na yung floors. We have this large size window. You have the provision for the air condition. So this area, you can actually use this for your living area. You can position your sofa bed or other furnitures. So same unit, it's complete finish. All you need is your appliances and furnitures. So for the kitchen area, you have your overhead cabinets, under cabinets, your sink and your granite countertop. And you also have your provision for range hood. So for this area, for the toilet and bath, so it's complete finish as well. Floors are tiled, painted walls. You have your the fixtures for your cabinet mirror, and for the shower area, it's rain type shower. You have your faucet. You have your shower niche. Um, it's tiled and painted yung walls. So what can you say about this unit? So if ever that you will be interested to this one bedroom unit of the Camden Place, feel free to check it out. In my YouTube channel, I have the complete details, the property tour, the project brief, and um, the computation. So you can check it out in my YouTube channel. So the link will be in the bio or in my comments.